All right, viewer. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I welcome you once again to Investpro Limited website video presentation. Right now, we're going to show you how you can earn 365% return on your investment per year by investing in this particular website or company we're talking about. All right, now here we are on the particular site. So here we have various plans, packages for this the public which you can select and make money from. All right, now what you need to do is very simple. In this case, all you have to do is to do what? Just move to this particular button, click on this button where you have a register your account. Okay, so after you register your account, just click on here, register your account. This is how to register your account, how to earn 365% return on your investment from Investpro websites. How to register accounts. So right now we're going to look at how to register your account. So then after that we'll explain to you how to earn 365% return on your investment from this particular Investpro website account. Okay, now in setting up your account, all you have to do is first and foremost you enter your name. You enter your name as it is. You enter your email. You enter your password. You repeat the password again. Then you enter your referral code. If you're invited by someone or thereabout, you just ask the person for the referral code. You put the referral code here. Then you tick agree to the terms and conditions. You click on create account. All right. So the moment you click on create account, you can see it said the password did not match. You make sure the password match. All right. Now what we're going to do is to make sure the password match. You change it. So after that, you click on create your account. As you click on create your account, it's going to process your account within a few seconds or minutes or thereabout. All right. So after that, then we move to the next stage on how to fund your account. Okay. So this video is about setting up your account. It's a very simple and short process you can use to create your account. And the moment you create your account, okay, slide network's a little bit slow. All right, so all you have to do is to be patient until it creates the account for you and it will redirect you to your dashboard. As you can see, we have successfully created an account. Then you see your name from where you have it at the top right hand side. Then the deposit, how to deposit, how to withdraw, and all that. Okay, now after you have that, what you need to do is to set up your payments. Okay, you go to payment settings, you come to this place, click on setup. As you click on setup or the payment, then it will now bring it to where you will be able to set up your account. All right, so right here you put your name is there, your password, you enter your phone number correct as it will be. Then you come to the payment option under the payment account. This is another very important section. Okay, now you under the type of payment you select USDT. Okay, USDT Tron 20 network. Then your account, that is your USDT wallet, where they are going to send the payment to. You have your wallet address, so anywhere you have your wallet address, you copy the wallet address as it is. Then you paste your wallet address here. The moment you paste your wallet address, you click on save. Are you getting it? Then it will now ask you for your password again to save it. You enter your password, you click save. So the moment you click enter your password and click save, it's going to save your payment details for you. That is the first thing you are going to do the moment you set up your account, so that you will not miss any payment at all. All right, so this is what this video is about, how to set up your account and set up your payment detail. Watch the next video below. Click on the link below to watch how to deposit funds into your Investpro account. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Do not forget to share. There is love in sharing. All right. When you share, you will earn more. As you can see, give people your referral code with which they can register. And once they do that, then you also go back to your dashboard. Right on your dashboard, do not forget your invitation benefits. When you refer people or invite people, you can see you copy your referral link here. That's the direct link you give to people. As you share this referral link with your friends, any of those friends that register, you will earn 10% of the amount they deposited. Then when they also invite others to join, you will also earn 5%. Then when those people they invited invite other set of persons again, you also earn another 1%. That's 3 levels of referral income. Do you get it? It's very powerful. You will be earning about 16% return from just inviting people to this platform, separate from the same daily percentage you earn as you trade or as you invest with this company. All right, so that is what this is all about. Thank you. Please subscribe and share this video. Remain blessed.